A thorough investigation to determine the cause of the landing gear failure and prevent similar incidents in the future.
Ja, also zumindest das jetzt hier alles.
Wow.
Ja, also zumindest das jetzt hier alles. Ja, also zumindest das jetzt hier alles.
Wow.
Preventing it from retracting. In response, the crew made the decision to jettison a portion of the fuel in mid-flight in order to reduce the aircraft's weight for the impending landing. Upon returning to Luxembourg Airport, the aircraft executed a skillful landing. However, during the process, the right side of the landing gear became detached. Despite this, all occupants on board remained unharmed, and the landing was executed safely. The incident highlights the proficiency and composure of the flight crew in managing unexpected situations.